Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you that Huawei phone won't download apps. There are millions of apps that Huawei phones can download, and you may have downloaded some of them. Then when you want to download a new app, you suddenly find that your Huawei phone can't install apps. Even if you try to download other apps, the result is the same. Don't worry, please watch and try the methods in the video patiently. This video will help you solve the problem of apps not downloading on Huawei phone. Try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. When you can't download apps on Huawei phone, you will feel very frustrated, especially when you need a new app to handle something important. In order to quickly solve and prevent such problems from happening again, please join me to understand why can't install apps on Huawei phone. There are 4 possible reasons why Huawei phones cannot download apps. 1. Network problem. If your phone's network connection is unstable or you cannot access the internet, this will cause Huawei phone is not downloading apps. 2. Insufficient storage space. Mobile phones have a maximum storage space. If your storage space is not enough to download new apps, Huawei phone apps not downloading. 3. The app you downloaded may not be downloaded due to regional restrictions. 4. There is a compatibility issue between the app you need to download and the Huawei phone, which causes the Huawei phone to refuse to download the app. Here are 7 solutions we provide to help you fix apps download issues on Huawei phone. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment section below the video and we will reply to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the internet connection. When Huawei phone fails to download apps, you should first check your internet connection. When the network cannot be connected or the connection is successful but there is no network, this is one of the reasons for unable to download apps on Huawei phone. You can check whether you are connected to the network according to your habits. If you are connected, you can open other applications to check whether the network is normal. At the same time, you can go to the App Store to check whether there are multiple download tasks downloading at the same time. If so, it is recommended that you suspend other download tasks first. If it is not normal, please try to download again after changing Wi-Fi or mobile network. If it is normal, then continue to try the following methods. Method 2 is to reopen the App Store. When the internet connection is normal and can be used normally, then you can try to completely close the App Store and stop it from working completely. Then reopen the App Store again and try to download the application again to check whether the Huawei phone is not letting me download apps problem has been fixed. Method 3 is that the Huawei phone storage space is insufficient. The size of the remaining storage space will also affect whether the Huawei phone can successfully download the application. If your Huawei phone stores a lot of data, resulting in insufficient storage space, less than 10%, this may cause can't download apps on a new Huawei phone. Downloaded applications will occupy a certain amount of storage space according to their own size. So you can clean up the storage space to free up more space to download and install new applications. To clean up storage space, open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and tap the storage option. A cleanup speed button will appear in the storage option interface, please tap it. Finally, the system will check the storage space occupied by your applications. If it is enough to download new applications, just download it again. Method 4 is to restart the Huawei phone. After ensuring that there is enough storage space, you can also try to restart the Huawei phone. Restarting may delete some temporary errors of the phone, and these temporary errors may be one of the culprits of unable to install app download on Huawei phone. To restart the Huawei phone, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and a restart interface will appear. Click the restart icon on the shutdown interface, and your Huawei phone will start to restart after clicking. After waiting for the restart to complete, try to download the application again. If it still doesn't work, continue to try the following method. Method 5 is to check the system. If the system version is too low, you will also be unable to download applications, because most of the downloaded applications are the latest version. Due to the large difference between the two, there may be compatibility issues, resulting in Huawei phone won't download apps from Play Store. Huawei may have checked the problem and released a newer version of the system. So you need to check if there is a new system update. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and tap System and Update. Then find and select Software Update in the new interface. If you already have a correct internet connection, the system will automatically check for new versions. If there is a new version to be updated, please click the Update Now button after the check is completed. After that, please wait patiently for the Huawei phone to update and download the application again after completion. Method 6 is to reset to factory mode. If you still have fixed problems downloading apps on Huawei phone after trying all the above methods, then you need to perform a factory reset. This problem may be caused by an unknown malfunction, and this will be the last method you can do by yourself. Restoring the factory settings will erase all data in the phone storage space, including contacts, messages, media files, and applications stored in the phone's memory. So, please back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to restore the Huawei phone to factory settings. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down and select the System and Update option. Then find and select the Factory Reset option on the System and Update interface. Then swipe down or directly tap the Reset Phone button on the Factory Reset interface. After that, your Huawei phone will start to reset and will finally re-enter the Huawei device home interface. Finally, you can re-download and install the required applications according to your needs. Method 7 is to seek help from Huawei. If the problem of Huawei phone can't install apps is still not solved, I suggest you contact Huawei's official after-sales service center as soon as possible. They have professional repair personnel and equipment to accurately diagnose and fix the specific reasons why the phone cannot download applications. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.